Hello, welcome on Ladder. I'm Snehal, and today we are going to see string arithmetics. Well, we will see first string addition. It is also called string concatenation, and after that we will see string repetition, that is string multiplication. So let's see string addition first. For addition, plus sign is used. So I'm adding string 1 plus string 2. So let's run this code. Addition of string is hello Python. If you see the results, string 1 hello and string 2 Python are connected, added end to end. Hello and after that Python. Let's see another example. Here I have two numbers and I have taken that numbers as a string because I have added that numbers in quotes. And if I add two numbers, what would be the result? A string 144 and 55 literally joins to one another. Now let's see string repetition. For the multiplication or the repetition, we are using into operator. So I have one variable and that is 88, and for I am multiplying that string 3 times. So answer is 3 times 88, 88, 88. Now let's try using command prompt. So let's say I have one variable called string1 is equal to, I'm adding it try, and I'm multiplying that string 3 times, and let's print the result.